Unlock this video transmitter. It's a TBS Unify PRO32 high voltage VTX. It looks like this. It has two LEDs, you have to take a look at those, and it has a button. You have to press that one in order to unlock it. The settings can be modified on the PC also using the TBS Agent X program. You can skip this page. You can click on it. Currently it's offline. You have to connect the micro USB to the micro USB of the video transmitter. But to unlock it, we cannot use the program itself, but we have to use the buttons. So let's talk about the LEDs. There are two LEDs, a red on the right side and the blue on the left side. And whenever the red LED is flashing, it's showing either the channel, the band, or the power level, and so on. If the red LED is flashing once, then it's on the channel setting. If the red LED is flashing twice, then it's on the band setting. And if the red LED is flashing 3 times, then it's on the power setting. Okay, and after the red LED flashes, the blue LED will flash. If after one red you get one blue flash, that means the channel is on the first. If after 2 red flashes you get, let's say, 2 blue flashes, then that means that the band is on B. If after 3 flashes you get, let's say, 4 blue LED flashes, then means that the power is on 1000 milliwatts. And in this way you can figure out each option from here uses which setting from there. So after I power on the drone using a battery, those two LEDs will automatically flash, and they will take all these options one by one, and at the end it will stop and only one blue LED will be shown. One blue LED means that the video transmitter is logged and you cannot get these power levels. If a red and a blue LED is shown, then these are unlocked and you can use those also. So as soon as I will power it on, the LEDs will flash. Okay, one red, one blue. Second is the first. 3 LEDs, one blue. That means it's on the first power level, which is only 25 milliwatts. And at the end it will stop and only the blue will be on. And now only the blue LED is on, so it is logged. Okay, so to finally unlock it, we have to press that button and press it only until the red LED appears and it disappears. When the red LED disappears, you can release it. And then it will go from the first option, the channel, it will go to the second option, which is the band. If you press it and release it once again, it will go to the third one. Press it and release it, it will go to the fourth one, and so on. So press the button until the red LED turns on and it disappears. When it disappears, release it. Release it. Now it's on the first one, because there is only just one red flashing. So press it until it disappears and release it. Now it's on the second one. When it's on the second one, 2 red flashes, so take in consideration only the red. When it's on the second one, you can unlock it. So you must be on the band, so 2 red flashes, and only there you can unlock it. To unlock it, you have to press that button a lot more, so I'm pressing it. You don't need to count. The blue LED should turn on. The blue LED should start flashing, and then it should go solid. So keep on pressing that button until the blue LED is solid. Now it's unlocked. So it's still on the third one. And now if I press the button again, it will not flash just once the blue, but it will add one more to it. So if I press the button on the blue LED, it will jump from here to there. If I press the button once again, then it will add one more, so I will get 3 options. If I press the button once again, it will add the 4th one, so it will be on 1000. After it finished flashing, we have two LEDs, a red and a blue, so that means it's unlocked. Now let's get back to the third flashing. So press and hold the button until the red LED disappears. Okay, it disappeared. It's blinking once, so we need to go to the third one. Press and hold until it disappears. Now it's on the second one. Press and hold until red disappears. Now it's on the third one. So press the button just shortly once, and it added to the third red, it added another blue, so it's using the second blue. Press it once more, and now it's flashing 3 times. Okay, press and hold the button until the blue appears, and that saves it. That's it. This is the third one. 1, 2, 3. So we are using the third power level. That is 1, 2, 3. Now if I disconnect the battery and plug it in again, it should be on the same power level. That is, on 3 red LEDs we should get 3 blue LEDs. 1, 2 reds, we don't need that one. This is important, 3 LEDs, just 1 blue. That is not good because there's another problem. Now let's disconnect the battery and connect the flight controller to the PC and start beta flight and connect it. So the settings were saved here on the VTX, but there's another problem. If you go here to video transmitter, here on the right side it says low power disarm and it's enabled. So whenever the drone is not spinning its motors, it's not armed, then the video transmitter is using the lowest power setting. So in this case we need to use the radio and power it on, and then we should have 3 LEDs instead of just 1. It cannot arm because the USB is plugged in, so I will unplug it. So I will power the drone and take a look at the LEDs and arm the drone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the drone is disarmed, then it uses lower power, and when the drone is armed, it uses a higher power. And since 2 LEDs are on, it is also unlocked. In beta flight, on the video transmitter tab, it uses these settings, the A band and the first channel, and it's set to, let's say, 1 watt, and low power disarm is enabled. So when the drone's motors are off, then it's using the lowest power, which is 25 milliwatts. These are the decibel values. And when the drone is armed, then it's using the highest power, which is 1 watt, that is 30 decibels. And here on the OSD tab, you can go to the bottom and check this VTX channel, check it, and it adds this one. That is the band, channel and power level. And when the drone is disarmed, we have only 25 milliwatts of power. And when I arm the drone, it goes up to 1 watt. From 25 to 1 watt. Here. To lock the video transmitter once again, go to the same second option, which is the band, and hold the button once again until the blue LED flashes, and then it's solid once again.